Welcome to a world of vibrant creativity, where every stroke brings life to your imagination. Today, we're diving into the versatile realm of apple barrel acrylic paint, specifically the 8-ounce pack of the brilliant shade white. Manufactured by Plaid Enterprises, Inc. These paints are proudly made in the USA. The brand is renowned for its non-toxic and water-based formula, making it safe and enjoyable for artists of all ages. This white acrylic paint is a perfect addition to expand your art supplies, ready to bring your DIY projects to life. The convenience of this paint doesn't end with its safety. It comes in a versatile 8-ounce size, ideal for base coating, stenciling, and much more. Once applied, it dries to a matte finish perfect for a variety of arts and crafts. One of the standout features is its compatibility with multiple surfaces. From wood and paper to canvas and styrofoam, or even paper mache, this paint can be used on a wide range of materials. Cleaning up after your artistic endeavors is also a breeze. Simply clean up while wet with soap and water. Now, let's hear from some real users who have experienced the magic of apple barrel acrylic paint. Unfortunately, we don't have any reviews on hand right now, but rest assured that this paint has consistently ranked as the #1 choice in arts, crafts and sewing, and art paints on Amazon. When it comes to using this paint, practical tips include applying multiple thin coats for best coverage, especially on porous surfaces. Remember, while this paint is water-based, it's not waterproof, so it's best suited for indoor projects. To wrap up, if you're looking for a fun, bright, and versatile acrylic paint to add some color to your life, consider giving apple barrel acrylic paint a try. With its convenient size, wide range of uses, easy cleanup, and non-toxic formula, it's the perfect companion for your artistic adventures. And remember, creativity knows no boundaries, so let your imagination run wild with apple barrel acrylic paint.